Hello and welcome back to Seeing Things Differently. My name is Alicia and today's video is part of the Calming collection. In today's episode, we are going to be talking about creating something called a calm box. A calm box takes a little bit of time and effort to create, but once it's finished, it's a fantastic way to surround yourself with things that you love and that help you feel calmer in moments of stress. Basically, it's a box that you can paint and decorate however you like and fill with things that you enjoy. For example, this is mine. It's quite large, I know, but it's got a humpback whale painted on it because I love the sea and scuba diving as one of my favourite hobbies, just because I find it really, really peaceful to be under the water where it's nice and calm. Every time I look at this box, I feel a sense of calm, and knowing that I decorated it myself is also really rewarding. You can buy a plain wooden box from IKEA or find one online, and they're usually quite cheap. Now mine has little drawers, but you can choose whatever kind of box you like and then either fill it over time with things that you enjoy, or you could make an afternoon of going out to choose all of the things that you're going to fill it with. Things that you might want to put inside could include your favourite toy, a picture you really like, maybe some bubbles, a bar of chocolate, and just anything that makes you feel good. Now in mine, I have lots of different things, but I really enjoy having some photos of friends and family and my pets. That makes me really happy. I also like to keep old birthday cards from people that have nice little messages inside them and make me smile when I read them. I have a Pac-Man and a little ghost stress ball for if I'm really needing to get some of that tension and anger out. And I have little trinkets that just have special meaning to me and make me feel good. The lovely thing about a calm box is that it's unique to you, and it can be a lot of fun to create, and you can even involve your friends and family if you want some help. The idea is that when you start feeling overwhelmed or a surge of strong emotion, you take yourself to the calm box and just surround yourself with things that you like. I found that it's also really helpful for the days where I've not managed to calm myself down successfully or I'm feeling really defeated, because even if it was a bit of a rubbish day, you can sit down and have some quiet time with things you enjoy. I also like to leave little notes in the box for myself for the next time I have to use it. So once I've calmed down or finished using the box, I'll quickly write myself a little note saying something like, "Looking in here means you wanted to help yourself, so well done," or "You're doing your best and that is enough." And it's really nice to find those the next time you go back and helps you associate the box with little rewards, so you're more likely to use it next time you're experiencing a difficult feeling. Another benefit of a calm box is that it prevents you from escaping to a phone or screen when you're feeling angry and upset. This is good because phones, and social media in particular, can bombard us with content designed to make us laugh or validate the way we look or behave, and engaging with those posts can cause a chemical in the brain called dopamine to be released. Dopamine is responsible for us feeling pleasure because it helps send messages throughout the brain. When we feel low or sad, it's easy to access social media on our phones as a way to provide ourselves with a quick fix of dopamine. But it isn't really sustainable because it's teaching us to get stimulation and pleasure from external sources rather than from within. The calm box can act as a buffer between those emotional states, so you don't feel tempted to sit there scrolling for hours in an attempt to make yourself feel better when ultimately doing that won't help your mood. So we've reached the end of today's video, and if you do decide to create a calm box, we would love to see what you make. So please send us a picture on Facebook or tag us in an Instagram post. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to like this video and subscribe to the Seeing Things Differently channel if you enjoy our content. See you again soon.